Good day everyone. Today I will discuss Marpol Annex 4 sewage. What is Marpol Annex 4 sewage? Marpol Annex 4 is international regulations to prevent pollution by sewage from ships. Ang Marpol Annex 4 kay mao ni siya ang purpose ani kay to protect marine life and human health by controlling how ships manage and discharge sewage. Mao ra gyapon to protect marine environment o kung asa ni siya dapat i-apply kay kung asa siya pwede i-apply kay ships greater than 400 gross tonnage or GT or gross tonnage, or ships carrying more than 15 persons. 15 ka persons ang pwede niya makiri on international voyages. Key requirements niya kay ships must have one of the following. Number 1 is sewage treatment plant. Kinahanglan approved to comminuting and disinfecting system, or number 3 sewage holding tank. Ang discharge rules niya kay kuan, untreated sewage only allowed 12 plus nautical miles from land. Naga-allowed sila og kanang 12 plus nga nautical miles gikan sa yuta, o treated sewage allowed 3 plus nautical mile, kanang 3 plus lang nautical mile gikan gapon sa yuta ang treated sewage. O ang katulo kay stricter rules apply in special areas. Example, Baltic Sea. Certification is ships must carry an international sewage pollution prevention certificate or ISPP. Thank you.